Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this account channel series from $2 to 20,000 US dollar. Of course, you guys know I started from scratch again from $2, even though I was already up above $30 from the previous one I was doing. But because I want to carry you guys along, I decided to start again from $2, and this week I was able to move it from $2 to $10 or just one single trade that I took on Wednesday. But on Thursday there was a reversal in the market, and I'm going to show you guys what happened that Thursday and what made that reversal occurred in the market, because we are not expecting that reversal in the market. What I had in mind is that we are definitely going to take out the previous day's high on Euro US. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about on the chart. Okay, so what I will do right now is turn off this my indicator right now, because I'm not placing a trade. I only use this indicator when I want to engage on my trade entry. Right, so these are my trading days on the chart. All right, I can turn on this indicator now because I want to show you guys the days. Now this is my first trade of the week. That is this Tuesday here. Okay, I took a sell on Euro US dollar on that $2 account, and then I was able to get about 30 pip. Okay, 30 pip. That is $3. Okay, and then I saw the way the market was reacting during New York session. This is New York session. You can see how price came back, compressed back into this range, and then again came again, compressed back. Then I knew that this thing may not be possible, because originally my take profit was this level here. You can see that was the place the market closed for the week. Okay, so my intention was that, okay, if we have a sell to this downside, to this level, to form the low, to form the low of the week, then we are going to have a very nice bullish week for the rest of the week, like this, keep swelling to the upside. All right, so that's what I had in mind, because obviously I think that this is the bullish expansion. This is the bullish expansion for price to come back to form this low of the week, and then you can see how nice this will have ended up. Okay, and then my first target for the week was this high here. Okay, that was our target on that trade on Euro USD on Wednesday last week. Okay, so that is this high right here. All right, so what happened actually is that the market was unable to get to this high, and I don't know why the market was unable to get to this high, because obviously if you had a bullish week, the market must obviously take out the previous week high or take out the previous week low. Now this week price action is very much different, because it was unable to take out the previous week high and also unable to take out the previous week low. So what that actually means is that next week we may still have a bullish move on this Euro USD, but I've not completed my mind, because I need to do a top analysis or weekly analysis that I'm going to share with you guys on this channel. All right, so yesterday price action on Friday, I saw this movement, this little movement right here, so I placed a minor buy on that same account, but I didn't post it because this is a very risky trade, because this means I am anticipating a reversal. And to anticipate this reversal, it's going to take a lot for the market to anticipate this reversal and take out all this high here. So what I'm trying to do is that I want to make sure that I post only safe entry for you guys on that Telegram channel, on my Twitter page. All right, so I don't want to post this kind of trade for you guys to take. Now if there's going to be a bullish continuation for the week, then obviously there must be a market structure break on this lower time frame, on this 1 hour lower time frame. That means price need to break out this high up. That means price need to break out this high of Thursday price action. Now, if price need to break out this high of Thursday price action, that means there's going to be a break in market structure on this 1 hour time frame, and that means price need to take out this high of Thursday price action. And that's one of the reasons why I took a trade on Friday buying Euro USD. I couldn't post that trade for you guys to take, because that is a very risky trade, anticipating smart money reversal, because it takes a lot to anticipate smart money reversal. So that's why I didn't post that trade on Friday, because buying Euro USD at this point is very risky. I like to post only signal that I know that is very safe for you guys to trade, like this Thursday price, like this Thursday trade. You can see we had a nice buy going to the New York session, and then that news came out and then pushed price to the downside. So at this point I don't trust this move yet. So next week we are still going to continue trading on that account, on that $2 account. So if you have not funded your $2 account, please follow the instruction I gave on the previous video on how to fund this $2 account. And that instruction actually states that before you can fund your $2 account, please make sure you have reserved extra $10 that you will be using as backup while you trade on that $2 account, because your first trade on that $2 account is the risk. Okay, you are risking everything. So if that $2 gets blown out, then you transfer another $2 from this $10 to, like, that is how I usually do it. That is my template of trading a small account. I always have a wallet that I keep my original balance, then I transfer money from that wallet to the trading account I will be using. So in case that first trading account gets blown out, then I transfer another money. Then if I have 1 or 2 winning trade or on that trading account, then there's no need for me, guys. There's no need for me to worry again of blowing that account. So just for me to keep compounding that account. So if you have not watched that previous video, please watch that previous video. And one of the most important things is how I do send these signals on my Telegram channels. Okay, so like as I told you guys, I always send this signal with just screenshot, not that I will be telling you guys buy or sell Euro USD. So most of you guys have not actually followed that instruction, and then most of you already complained that you blew up your first 2 US dollar account. So I don't really reply anybody that is commenting on my DM that you blew up your first 2 US dollar account, because I already told you guys you don't just risk 2 US dollar, you don't just start with 2 US dollar and expect to have a winning trade on that 2 US dollar. Although individual experience matters, okay, so my experience cannot be compared to your experience, okay. So that I didn't blow the first 2 US dollar does not necessarily mean you are not going to blow your first 2 US dollar. So what this actually means is that have a reserve account that you can easily transfer the money from, and have it at the back of your mind that any money you are putting into the market, is the money that you can afford to lose. So don't be emotional when you blow up your account. All right.